1. Okay, drawing our polygon, we pick this guy. Polygon is under rectangle too. So I want it to be straight, it's looking straight. Yeah, straight enough. So I want to use 15. Enter. Oh, I click OK, then dimension to top 15 mm. 15 mm cool. Then I take my circle tool and draw my first circle, 0.5, enter. Right click, OK, finish sketch, then extrude. 10 is okay, symmetric, and click on plus. Let's see, has it done it? Okay, it's already cut through. Cancel. Then come back again to this sketch, edit sketch. Open the sketch, touch the top, add a sketch. Now I want to draw a circle of diameter 15 again. And click OK. Finish sketch. And extrude. And circle intersection downwards. Degree is 45 degrees. Okay. Yeah. So this is our bolts. Let's make it gold. Oh. It's something black.